I was needing a better shop vac around the house, so I picked this up from Home Depot recently. This is a rigid WD4070 portable shop vac. It's 4 gallons with a 5 horsepower motor. I'll do a quick unboxing and then I'll vacuum out my trucks to show it in action, and I'll also give you my thoughts on it. Alright, before I even opened the box, I did read some reviews on the vacuum cleaner. A lot of them said that the accessories that come with it are kind of crappy, and I tend to agree with that. There's not many. There's only one you're going to use. There's a couple extension pieces, and the hose is a hard plastic. You could maybe scratch some of your interior with that thing. You got to be careful. But Home Depot does sell a detailer's accessory kit that's got a very nice rubber hose that's longer, and it's got about 2 or 3 other attachments that you probably would use. It's $40. Amazon sells it too. It's a little bit more expensive. But I'm thinking about getting this kit myself. Here we are in my F-150, and 2 things I noticed straight off the bat are: 1, it's much more powerful than my 17-year-old Walmart shop vac that I've had forever, and 2, it's very comparable to the vacs that you have at your local car washes, the big industrial ones, which is very surprising because this thing is so small and portable. So that's a big plus so far. Alright, so now we'll move over to the Nissan Hardbody, and I gotta say I'm very pleased with this unit so far. This vacuum cleaner is powerful, it's portable, it's everything you need in a shop vac if you're going to be using it to clean out your vehicles. I am looking forward to getting that detailer's accessory kit from Home Depot. The longer hose with the rubber would be a lot easier to work with, I think, and a couple of those accessories I could have used during this cleaning. So I'm definitely going to get that. It's going to be $40. And it's going to be $40 well spent. But anyways, if you like this video, you found it helpful at all, let me know in the comments. Let me know what vac you got, or if you're looking to get one, or if you got this one. And don't forget to like the video.